What's up? You checking out the freaking flyer, and this one is the Bojiang S5C. Yep, a bunch of S5Cs, yo. After Cyma, but this one doesn't look anything like the Cyma. And this one here, it's actually been rebranded, so you can get this again still, but unfortunately it'll have altitude hold, and it doesn't come in this nice white color. It only comes in black. And I'm talking about the Snaptane S5C. It's actually a rebrand of this one, but this one is an excellent night flyer. It has lights all over this thing, different colors and all. Perfect lighting, I would say. It doesn't have extremely deep pitch, but it's just good enough to get you going. You can fly it fast and all, and it has a really decent yaw rate. But unfortunately, no multi-protocol support. Hopefully somebody will put this thing on. It's my chances are slim for that, so I'll just be happy to still have it. It has a pretty decent yaw rate, so I don't have too much complaint for it. But let's get it up in the air. Check out the yaw. It's a pretty decent yaw. Can't really see the lighting here, but it has really nice lighting. Red in the rear, blue in the front. It has a white light in the front, and it's green on the top. You can see it can get going. Pretty decent pitch on it. I don't know if we can pull off some manual flips. Let's try it. Oh, don't look like that was going to work. Suicide flip right there. Might be able to pull one off though. Let's get it over here in our flipping space. Notice I'm up pretty high with this guy. I don't want to bang this guy out. And I don't think the manual flips is going to work with this guy. I never tried it. This is my first time. Nope, it just doesn't have enough snap on its pitch to pull it off. That's nice though. I don't think the Snaptane version is on the same protocol either. Let me see. Get some button flips for y'all. Over. I think I might have hit the yeah, I hit the speed thing by mistake. See, it doesn't have enough pitch to do a really nice funnel. Just enough pitch to get it going. And the pitch, I think it gradually increases when you're holding it. And the yaw is a pretty fast yaw. So you can't really bring it all together to do a nice funnel though. still pretty agile just because of the fact that it has that fast yaw, and the pitch gradually increases. Just doesn't hold the pitch though. When you first start, it'll do a deep pitch funnel or spin around, but then it just doesn't hold it. Check out the moon up there, y'all. Pretty long night flights I've had with this before. That's a pretty decent fly time. Right into the sun. See the lights. Thanks for watching.